Hi, today's recipe is one of America's favorite condiments and side dishes, coleslaw. You can see we have the ingredients here: carrot, cabbage. I'm using vegan mayonnaise because, again, we're trying to decrease or get rid of as much fat as we can. Simple mustard and a little bit of sugar. Okay, give me a moment to prep all of these items. We have removed the core from the cabbage. We've prepped the carrot. Now it's going to get a little noisy in here. We're going to go ahead and put everything into the food processor. So it may get a little noisy. It's only going to take about 5 minutes to prep everything, and we'll be right back. Next, put everything in a large mixing bowl. Add a couple of tablespoons of vegan mayonnaise. Mix it around. It's going to be, depending on the size of your cabbage, a nice big squeeze of mustard and a couple of tablespoons of sugar, and just keep mixing that around and mixing it up. Okay, you may end up adding more mayonnaise depending on the size of your cabbage, and a little more sugar to taste. And as you can see, this is the texture that you're looking for here. Nice, not too creamy, not too watery. You're going to take it from here, put it in the refrigerator, and let it rest for about 20 minutes. Hope you enjoy this recipe as much as I will. Next week, our recipe will be the carrot hot dog. Enjoy. Have a blessed day.